Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this is possibly the end of an ABC correction. If it is, that means that this move that we're seeing to the upside is going to be a correction to the move down, and most likely it's just going to keep on trending down, making lower lows and lower highs. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do prefer to switch to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, weekly is where you can see the lower lows, lower highs for what I think is a wave one. I still think this move up is an ABC. Now, we definitely did turn down. It did make a lower high. Wave C's do sometimes make lower highs, so that possibly could be the end of a correction, and if it is, then we will see a new downtrend. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see the higher highs, higher lows for the A. I still think this is an A, B, C, or B, and I still see this as an uptrend for the C. Now, like I said yesterday, I could see this as possibly being a 1, 2, and then it goes up and makes a 3, 4, 5 of C. That is definitely a possibility, but I also see that we have a trend right here, and that we definitely have the end of a trend with an impulsive move down and a break of structure. That tells me that we could already have the end of a wave C, and that this is an irregular wave C, and that this very easily could just keep on trending down, maybe even beginning a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see the big impulsive move down with a break of structure. That should prove that this whole uptrend is over. If that uptrend is over, that means that this move up is probably a correction to this move down, and there's a very good likelihood, even if it does go up again, that it will make a lower high and end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, it definitely is a little on the corrective side. It definitely is very overlapping, but from this break of structure I see over here, I do see that I think it's more likely that it is just going to keep on drifting down. This move up right here is impulsive, so I could possibly see that as an A. I could possibly see this as all a corrective wave B, and then maybe it will go up again for a C. So we're just going to have to observe and see what actually happens next. If it goes up and makes an ABC, then makes an impulsive move down at a fib level, that would make for a very good sorting opportunity. If, on the other hand, it just continues to make lower lows, then I would just continue to go short at the end of every single lower low that I see, at least until I see some sort of a break of structure to the upside telling me that this really is a wave B and that we really are going up for a wave C. Until we actually see that break of structure, I'm just going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend at the end of every pullback that I may see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.